Gitacharya in his Bhagavad Gita says, Idam shariram kaunteya kshetram iti abhidiyate etadyo veti tam prahuhu kshetragya iti tad vidaha. Understand this body to be the kshetra, tirtha vitthala, kshetra vitthala. This body is his. It's not even ours. He has made everything happen only for his own sake. This is his Leela. This entire universe is his Leela. And he is the Kshetrajna. He is the one who knows. He is the Atma Rama, as I said. He is the self. He is the Brahman. And he resides as the heart. And therefore, we move on to the next part of our concept exploration, where we feel the need to extol him and to sing his name. What cannot that name do? It can do everything, including allow us to transcend this life, birth, death, life, birth, death, life, existence. Further, what else do we need to seek from him? All we need to do is to sing his name. Pattile pannai vaittar, paduvarku arulum vaittar. So he gives the grace and he allows us to transcend. It is us who limit ourselves. How long should we remain like birds in a cage? And for us to fly free, all we have to do is chant his name. And Jnanadeva in his Abhanga beautifully says, Jnaneshwar Maharaj, he says, Jnanadeva Mauna Japamala Antari. He says, we don't even need to speak. The Japamala is happening inside. The chanting of the name is going on continuously. Muruganar Swami, in his beautiful composition on Bhagavan, says, Nadane unnai naan marakkinum nachollum mundan namame. I may forget you, but my tongue will continue to chant your name. This Nama Mahima is something which is not something that can be explored, told, or even experienced in its fullness unless the Master wills. Because the Nama Mahima is apara. It is beyond the size of this universe. In fact, there is this beautiful incident of Ajamila, who was the very ordinary human being, in fact not a very good man, but he named his son Narayana. And in his old age, on his deathbed, he called out Narayana, Narayana, not to that original Narayana, not the Narayana of ourselves, not the Atma Rama Narayana, but to his son Narayana for help. And he died. All of us know the story, that the Yamadutas came on one side and said, he has been such a bad man, we have to take him to hell. And from Vaikuntha, Narayana's aides came and said, no, he has said Mahavishnu's name at the last moment, we have to take him only to Vaikuntha. And naturally, because that is the master's master plan, he goes to Vaikuntha. Such is Nama Mahima. So, let us just keep on chanting his name. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari Mana. Let us keep it firmly in our hearts and keep chanting his name. Not a care in this world we will have, because he will do what he needs to do thereafter. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari Mana. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari Mana. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari Mana. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari धरि मना हरिसी करुणायैल तुझी हरिसी करुणायैल तुझी एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द 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 रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द वाचेसी सदा जपे आदि वाचेसी सदा जपे आदि एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना नाम परदे तत्त्व नाही रे अन्यथा नाम परदे तत्त्व नाही रे अन्यथा वायाणिका पंथ जाशी जणे वायाणिका पंथ जाशी जणे एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी धरोनि श्रीहरि जपे सदा धरोनि श्रीहरि जपे सदा एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द 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 एकतत्त्वनाम दृढ धरि मना Just as Muruganar Swami said, Nadane unnai naan marakkinum naacchollum undan namame. In Subramanya Bhujangam, Adi Shankara says that at the time of death, Kapodgari vaktre bhayotkampi gatre prayanonmukhe, at the time that this soul has to depart, I will be in terrible fear, and therefore O Subramanya, O Muruga. Assume that I am thinking of you then because I am thinking of you now. Take this moment as that moment and don't leave me, because that last moment, Ajamila got the mukti because at the last moment he called Narayana. So I may not be able to think of you at that time. So assume that this moment is that moment and don't forsake me. But if we chant his name, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. This is the doha. What you want to do tomorrow, do it today. What you want to do today, do it now. Because in one pal, in 1 second, parlay is pralaya, is the end will come. We never know when the end will come and in which form it will come. We may not be able to do so many things that we want to do, but we should not leave the chanting of his name alone, because that alone is going to help us transcend. Bhaja Govindam, Govindam bhaja mudhamate, samprapte sannihite kale, nahi nahi rakshati dukrum karane. None of what you are going to do in this world is going to help you except Govinda. Namma Bhagavana papo, Bhagavan ellatiyum paathupa. He will take care of everything. All we have to do is chant his name. And what does he do? We have taken so many lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of births. Pullahi, Pudai, Pulvai, Maramahi, Palvirahamahi, Paravayai, Pambahi, Kallai, Manidarai, Peyai, Ganangalai, Vallasurarai, Munivarai, Devarai. Sella Anindra Ittavara Jangamattul, Yella Pirappum Pirandilaithen Emperuman. Meye, Un Ponnadigal Kandu Indru Vidutrain. You are the only truth, Mei. And because I have seen your feet today, I have reached the highest. So this Janma Nasha, this Ramana Nama does. Janma Nasha me Tira Vaipadum, Kanma Vasanai Kadala Vaipadum, Ramana Nama me, Sadhuvam Swami's very beautiful composition. Let us revel in the Ramana Nama. ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கர்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணனா புன்மையாவையும் போக்கடிப்பதும் நன்மையாவையும் ரமணநாமமே ஜன்ம நாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணநாமமே கோதகன்றதும் குணமுயர்ந்ததும் சாதனை பலம் தானடிப்பதும் சேதனததும் शिवमयददुं नादनावदुं रमणनाममे जन्मनाशमे सेरवैपदुं कण्णवासनै कळलवैपदुं रमणनाममे अत्तनानदुं अरुणमामलै सिद्धनानदुं दैवमानदुं मुक्तियानदुं मोनमुं नवरत्नमानदुं रमणनाममे जन्मनाशमे सेरवैपदुं कण्मवासनै कळलवैपदुं जन्मनाशमे सेरवैपदुं कण्मवासनै कळलवैपदुं रमणनाममे